Today's episode of the Bunny Rabbit Cosplay Saga is time for toes. First up, I remove all of the masking tape from where I put them together temporarily. Next up, the Dremel to clean up any of those small bevels that I had missed with my blade, and then run my heat gun over everything to seal it. After that, we get the contact cement out and begin the fun task of putting all 8 of these toes together. There isn't any dedicated order of gluing the pieces together, but what I found to be easiest was to add glue to the top piece, the one that has that hollow cutout, and then where it would connect with the smallest piece, or the front part of the toe. Eventually moving around the perimeter of that smallest piece, so that way when you're done it looks like an upside down capital T with very long arms after you add that left and right side piece. Looking back, this is also where I would have added the 1mm foam for that small top detail before forming the toe completely. It would have been a lot easier, but I'll get into that in the next dedicated toe video. The one thing to remember is to glue the bottom portion of the toe piece or the longest piece last. That way you've got room to play around with it with the formation and make sure that it's just how you want it to be. If you look close, you might see where it wound up looking like an awkward plus sign before I put everything together. And off camera, I did have to rip one toe apart because I labeled the pieces wrong, and it's a pain to take foam apart once it has been glued. But it can be done if you need, just be very careful. In total, this is an hour's worth of footage, chopped and screwed down to 90 seconds. Boy, but I am super proud of how it is all coming together.